Here is an interesting question on distance time graph. Nancy runs along a line away from a motion sensor, and at the same time, Peter, who is 30 meters away, walks towards Nancy with the speed of 2.5 meters per second. The graph below shows information about Nancy's run. Sketch the graph of Peter and find the time after which they will meet. So this line represents the distance time graph for Nancy, right? So this is for Nancy. Now Peter is 30 meters away. That means when Nancy starts, Peter is 30 meters away and is walking towards Nancy with a speed of 2.5 meters per second. What does it mean? It means 2.5 meters will be covered in 1 second. In 2 seconds, 5 meters will be covered, right? So in 2 seconds, 5 meters he is walking towards, so the distance between them decreases. So 5 is this much. So in 2 minutes, 5 meters will be covered. Next 2 minutes, another 5 meters will be covered, and so on. So if I join these points, I get the graph for Peter, right? So we can join these points. Once we join them, we get graph for Peter. Now clearly it shows that Peter is walking towards Nancy, therefore the distance is kind of decreasing between the two, right? Now the question is, sketch the graph for Peter and find the time after which they will meet. So that point is the point of intersection. Now here from the graph we see that after 4 seconds they will meet, right? So from the graph we can say that they will meet after 4 seconds, and the distance from the original place where Nancy left will be 20 meters, and as far as Peter is concerned, he walks 10 meters to reach that place, right? So that is how we can solve this question, correct? So important things here is when we say Peter is 30 meters away, right? So that is the initial position of Peter. So this is the Peter's position, right? This is Peter initial position. And then he walks towards Nancy with a speed of 2.5 meters per second. So we say speed is 2.5 meters per second. For simplicity, what we did was we multiplied by 2. So we said 5 meters in 2 seconds. Is it okay? 5 meters in 2 seconds. So it was easy for us to graph. So 5 meters is, this is 1 unit of 5, and that is 1 second and 2 seconds. So we get 5 meters in 2 seconds, another 5 meters in the next 2 seconds, right? And that's how you get the point of intersection, right? So joining these points with a straight line, since he is walking at a constant speed, right? So we can join them with a straight line. So that gives you sketch for Peter. And find the time after which they will meet. The time will be 4 seconds. So that is the time after which they will meet. From the graph you can also read how much distance will they cover, right? So Peter will cover a distance of 10 meters and Nancy will cover a distance of 20 meters. I hope that helps. Thank you.